Hello friends, today's question. Two blocks of masses 10 kg and 4 kg are connected by a spring of negligible mass and placed on a frictionless horizontal surface. An impulse gives a velocity of 14 meter per second to the heavier block in the direction of the lighter block. The velocity of the center of mass is. So we have a system in which we have two masses. One is 10 kg and another one is 4 kg. They are connected using a spring. Okay. So let us suppose that this is our M1 and this is our M2, and initially an impulse of velocity 14 meter per second is given to the mass larger block, that is mass M1, and M2 is at that particular moment is stationary. Let us suppose this velocity is V1 and M2 is having initial velocity V2, that will be equal to 0. In this case, once the impulse to the block M1 has been applied, after that there is no external force that is acting between this entire system rather. So we can say once impulse is provided to the block of mass M1, which is our 10 kg. After that no external force acts on the entire system. Now because of that, the center of mass velocity will not change. Okay, so we can say from here, therefore velocity of center of mass will not change. Okay. But even though the velocity of center of mass is not going to change, the individual velocity or individual speed of M1 and M2 can change depending upon whether the spring is in the compression or it is in elongation. Okay. We can also say, although individual velocities may change due to compression or elongation of the spring. But in this case, we are only interested in the velocity of the center of mass. Okay. So we can say, we can use the formula velocity of center of mass will be equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2 divided by M1 plus M2. Now this relationship is only possible in the absence of external force. Okay. Now we know value of M1 V1. This is about 10 multiplied by 14 plus M2 is 4. Initial velocity is 0 divided by 10 plus 4. from here we can say velocity of center of mass will be equal to 10 multiplied by 14 divided by 14, and 14 and 14 cancels out, so we get velocity of center of mass is equal to 10 meter per second. So we can say option C is the correct option. Okay. So this is the velocity of center of mass, and from here we can say option C is the correct one. Option C is correct option. So this completes the question. Thank you.